Hi guys, it's Shami. So today I'm going to work on this apron. It's the apron that I used. I actually got it from the dollar store. They used to have these. So I just want to paint it. I mean, it already has a little bit of paint on it, but I thought it'd be great if we painted it together. So I'm just working on just my under paper. I might pull that up and just work on the plastic that I have underneath as I go along. I'm going to use this folk art textile medium, and you just mix it in with your paint. And I'm going to probably use a lot of apple barrel paints or folk art paints or plaid paints. So it should be awesome. I'm going to let you watch the process and I hope you enjoy. Thanks. Hi guys, so I'm just going to begin by mixing my paints with the fabric medium that I told you guys about. So I usually do 1-to-1. I think you're supposed to do, 2 parts medium to 1 part paint, or vice versa, but I usually just eyeball it anyway and squirt it out. And what the fabric medium does is it makes the paint pliable, because if you've ever got an acrylic paint on your clothes, it makes it quite stiff. So the medium makes it nice and pliable, and it's washable and it's ready to go. So in hindsight, I probably should have prepped this before, because the fabric was very absorbent. But if you're doing like this on a canvas type fabric for an apron, then it's fine. I paint canvas bags all the time, and I never have the color kind of get sucked up like it did on this fabric. And like I said, I got this from the dollar store. I just wanted to paint it, so it turned out great. And actually, I made another apron too. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of it, but I use actually a canvas pack of canvas aprons from Michael's, and that worked out great. So I decided to do cool colors because I did kind of warm colors from my other apron. So I'm just going to keep adding them in, and I'll let you continue to watch. Next, after I do like those big areas of color, I'm going to add some circles. This is the folk art, or is it folk art? I think it's folk art, but it's by Plaid. Their color shift color, and this is the purple one, which is so pretty. I love it. It's such a beautiful color. So I'm just going to make some circles just with my brush, and then I'm just going to add marks. And for those I added just a little bit of the fabric medium, and I kind of wanted this to be a calm project, so I'm just going to add some yellow to kind of pop things out. But other than that, it's going to be pretty calming. Like, you won't see lots of contrast on this apron, but it definitely has my favorite colors in it, so I'll let you continue to watch. So here I just blocked out some space to write. So I decided to take a brush and to use my own handwriting and write artist at work. So I thought that was fun and clever. And I'm super happy how this apron turned out. I did paint all the edges black. I do need to figure out what I'm going to do with the strings. But other than that, she is all done. So I hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for watching. It was really fun. And I like the way it turned out. It took me about 2 days to do this just because you have to wait for things to dry. But overall, I think the whole painting process that I actually recorded was like 2 hours. So you could definitely do this project pretty quick. And I did splatters, and I used cups and all sorts of stuff to do some printmaking. But I really love the way it turned out. So I'll give you a sneak peek of me painting the edges, and I did that all around. And I like the way that it looks. It made it a little bit more finished. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to see if you have an art apron that you made. They're so much fun, and they make awesome gifts. So I will see you for the next video. Thank you so much. Please share this video with your friends. Bye.